So starting the test drive in this X5 here, BMW's just come a long way in terms of reliability, but they've always been very fun to drive. But with the twin power turbo 6s that are in so many of their lineup, they're just a great engine that makes you feel like you're driving a $65,000, in this particular instance, a $65,000 SUV, even though it's not top of the line. You just feel like it's worth it for the performance that you get in these. Now, I had it in comfort. I'm putting it in a sport mode now. I'm gonna use the manual shift. I'm gonna put my foot into it and just see how it gets up to speed as we get on the interstate here. And of course, the shifts are very quick from this 8-speed. Give myself a little space, and then we're gonna put our foot down right now. So very quick, of course. Very fun. Gonna put it into Eco Pro now. Now with these 20-inch alloy wheels, feeling the road just a tad here. I feel like these tires are very low pro, so that's gonna kind of come into effect. Of course, you can get beefier tires, I reckon, if they'll fit. But the ride itself is very good, nice and solid. You feel like you're in the ultimate driving machine while still having something that's relatively comfortable on the interstate. And although you're getting 24 miles per gallon highway, still I think you have that mild hybrid system, so you could probably do a little better depending on how you drive. But just a very nice vehicle. And the road noise is more intrusive than the wind noise here, which is saying a lot because it's pretty windy out today, but the interior acoustics in here are phenomenal. Now, in terms of what you get for the money here, I'm sure this is bringing a lot less than the original 65 grand sticker price. And I do like that it still feels like an expensive vehicle, just from the driving dynamics, the ride quality, even the features that you get here. With this being a 17 in 2024 here, this still looks like, it doesn't look outdated, let me put it that way, in terms of the infotainment screen, the dash here, even the AC controls. It just looks like a BMW. But especially as these depreciate quite a bit, I think this is no, they don't appreciate like they used to, because they're just quite a bit more reliable than the older years. But still, you can get one of these for a pretty good bargain. Maybe if you're worried about powertrain issues or infotainment issues down the line, get you an extended warranty, and then you'll be good to go. But I just feel like this will serve you well, at least till 80, 90,000 miles. Now, I have seen a few issues with those kind of vehicles, but a lot of it's just maintenance that's expensive to have done. People get these and then they don't want to take them to the dealer because an oil change can run you a pretty penny. But if you find a good mechanic, I feel like it won't be a big deal. But most importantly, with this being, there's a reason that BMW calls their vehicles the ultimate driving machine. This is an SUV, and it's not even an M Sport. This just feels like something that I could own and have a lot of fun in, while still having it be relatively practical in terms of everyday use. But the twin power turbo 6s are just, they've got pretty good reliability, and they're just super fun to drive. But with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2017 BMW X5 XDrive 35i.